It's like, did you ever see that video that won the grand prize on the Funniest Home Videos, where it's like 5 like quadruplets or no quints or whatever, and the mom's laying on the bed with them, and the dad's doing something funny, and they all belly laugh at the same time at the dad, and they won the grand prize. Yeah, it's really funny. Anywho, I just want to share his laughter. Yep.